Today we're going to be setting up a NETGEAR cable modem. Most NETGEAR cable modems are similar in setup procedures, but today specifically we're going to be looking at the NETGEAR CM500 high-speed cable modem. First, when you open up the box, you see a setup manual, a warranty, then the actual cable modem, a Ethernet cable, and the power adapter. When you first open up the cable modem, you're going to see 3 ports. One for the power adapter, second for the Ethernet cable, and third for your service provider. For example, those main providers are Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox. The first step is to plug in the power adapter and then wait for the top green power light to get stable. Now that the green light is stable, we can connect the service cable to the cable modem. This process can take several minutes, so you have to be patient and wait for the green light to become solid. If the green light isn't stabilizing, you can press the reset button located under the Ethernet cable port. A minute after the reset, connect your cable modem and your laptop with the Ethernet cable. Now go to a browser and put in the code 192.168.100.1. If it shows you this error, just refresh your page. After you refresh the page, it's going to ask you to sign in. The username is going to be admin and the password is going to be password. Then click sign in. After a while of loading, it's going to show you a status page which determines if your cable modem is connected or not. You could have skipped the previous process we just went over. After attaching your Ethernet cable, restart your computer. This internet activation list is located on the last page of your manual. After you restart your computer and open up a browser, this is going to pop up on your screen. Follow the following instructions, which can take several minutes. Now it's time to connect your cable modem to your Wi-Fi router through your Ethernet cable and then restart your cable modem. Now that all the lights are green, you're good to go.